Hello, boys and girls at Eston Elementary and Memorial Park and Jefferson. This is Mr. McAndrew again to talk about subtraction. Very excited. I hope you are too. I love math, and I love it adding, and I love subtracting. So, you may recognize these flowers from last time, and we talked about that when you add, you bring two parts together to make a new whole. And when you subtract, you start with a bunch of objects, you start with a total, and you take away from it. Or you could separate, but for now we're talking about taking away from the total. So last time we were talking, or I was talking to be exact, we had some flowers. So here, for example, we have 5 flowers, and this naughty rabbit kept coming over and eating the flowers, right? So for this example, I'm actually going to write down some of the math today. We're going to say that there are, let's say there's five flowers, and we're going to subtract. So that line there, that dash means subtract 2 flowers because the bunny is going to come over and eat the yellow flower and the blue flower. So we subtracted 2 flowers because the bunny ate 2 flowers. And that gives us how many flowers left over. Well, let's take a look. We still have 1, 2, 3 flowers left over. So that is subtraction. You could say that as 5 take away 2 equals 3. You could also say that 5 subtract 2 is the same as 3. You could also say if we have 5 flowers and a bunny eats 2 of them, there's 3 left over. So there's lots of ways that you can read a math equation. It's very exciting. All right, so today, the flowers are something you can do at home. You can make some flowers, you can cut them up, you can pretend. You could draw anything and pretend, right? So I'm going to show you something else that you could do at home to practice subtraction. One of my favorite things, which is eating crackers. I love these are wheat thins. But, you know, it could be popcorn, or it could be some nuts, or it could be some Skittles, you never know. Okay, so here we have how many crackers? How many crackers do we have? Can you count? Let's see, if you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you would be correct. If you did not say 8, that's okay. As long as you are doing your best and learning, your brain is growing the biggest. So let's take a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crackers. We're going to write down 8 crackers. And I'm going to eat 2 of them. 1, 2. All right, so here we go. I ate 2 of them. Now how many crackers do we have left? Let's find out. So I ate 2 of them. We have, can you count? Count with me. Let's see what you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crackers. That left us with 6 crackers. So 8 minus 2. So minus is another word for subtraction. So 8 minus, or 8 take away 2, is the same as 6. Okay? All right, let's do another one. These are yummy. I recommend this activity highly. All right, this time, let's say we have, do it like dice. Let's say we have like 5 crackers. Okay? We have 5 crackers. We'll write down our 5. Now, boys and girls, I don't expect you to be writing these equations right now, but if you want to, you certainly can. I'm just showing you what it looks like as a math equation, okay? An equation is when you write the numbers down with the symbol. This is the subtraction symbol. The addition symbol we know looks like this, right? The plus sign, looks like, oh, I'm not sure you can see it. Let's get there we go. Looks like the plus sign. Okay, subtraction is just a dash. It's just one part of the plus sign. Okay, so we have 5 crackers. This time I'm going to eat 1 cracker. 1 cracker. Okay, here we go. Oh, all right. Excellent. So now we have 4. Excuse me. Need some water. Ooh. Oh, yeah. We have 4 crackers left. Let's make sure that Mr. McAndrew's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 5 crackers. Mr. McAndrew eats 1. And that leaves us with 4 crackers. So 5 minus 1, or 5 take away 1 is the same as 4. All right, let's do one more. Although maybe we should do more. These are yummy. Let's do, this time, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 crackers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 crackers. Can you believe it? Let's make sure we have 10 crackers. We have 1, we'll go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 crackers. Okay. So we're starting with 10 crackers. So I'll write down my 10. And we're going to, well, I'm going to eat, how many should I eat this time? I'm going to eat 1, 2, 3 crackers. I can barely talk. I got so many crackers in my mouth. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I've got 3 crackers. So what does that equal, boys and girls? What does it? You have 10 crackers, and you take away 3. How many are you left with? Can you count? You can pause the video and look if you want. All right, so let's count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crackers. 10 take away 3 equals 7. Or I could say 10 subtract 3 equals 7. All right, well, I am full, and I am very happy to be doing subtraction with you. Next time you have a snack and you can count how many you have, please do it. Eat some and see how many are left. And if you want to start writing down some equations, you can have fun with that too. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Remember, be safe and be kind to your family.